Hey everyone, and welcome to the PlantStock Daily. My name is Jesse if we haven't met yet. Today we have two news items to focus on. First, we have some great news from Beyond Meat's ongoing partnership with Pizza Hut Canada. And the second news, we have some news regarding Oatly and their pricing with Starbucks in the UK. As always, I would appreciate an early thumbs up since it does help with the YouTube algorithm. If you're interested in getting up-to-date news and analysis on plant-based companies, such as Beyond Meat, Oatly, and TTCF to name a few, 5 days a week, then make sure to subscribe and don't forget that bell button. And also, don't forget to join our free Discord channel, where we talk about these companies at a more detailed level. Take a look in the description. Thank you guys, I appreciate your help. Now I thought on my Monday videos I would do a very brief comparison between some of our PlantStock companies to see who performed best and worst in the week prior. Let me know down in the comments if this is something you want me to continue with. If we take a look at the winners and losers from last week in our sector, Beyond was the winner, and SLGBF Good Nature came as a close second. Beyond's performance isn't that surprising given the news they had last week and what investors are expecting. Don't forget that Beyond is rolling out their chicken alternatives at 4,000 KFCs today. That is going to be interesting to monitor and see what kind of revenues we could expect. TTCF was the loser of the week, down over 6%. Let's not forget that they are also an incredibly shorted stock with over 39% short interest. Now, before we go into the news items, it could be a good idea just to see what's going on in our overall sector now, in the plant stock sector. Besides Baby F, we could see that Beyond, Oatly, SLGBF, TTCF, and VGFC are tumbling down pretty much, especially when it comes to Beyond, Oatly, and TTCF. But if you take a look here at the Dow, is down about 1.43% right now, S&P almost 2%, NASDAQ 2.40%. We can see that the overall market is actually tumbling down as well. Now, given the news we got from the Fed on Wednesday last week, it might not come as a surprise that investors at the moment are reconsidering their tech growth stock investment and looking for safer value plays. Right now, this could be considered the end of easy money. We also have Fed critic Mohamed El-Erian who tweeted, quote, "While the monetary policies expectations of Wall Street analysts have moved in a major way, financial conditions in markets have not to the same extent. I suspect that it's due to a mix of inertia and, based on recent history, uncertainty about the Fed's resolve to stay the course." And furthermore, Wall Street is pricing in more tightening for this year, with Goldman Sachs out today calling for 4 rate hikes in 2022. So again, folks, a lot of people do feel that uncertainty in the market, and that's what we're basically seeing right now. Like I said, when people are afraid, when there's a lot of fear, people tend to go in and try to invest in safer stocks instead. Now, if you're interested in seeking alpha that I use to monitor my stocks, look for different analysis and tools to help you compare stocks in a simple manner, use my link down in the description to get a 50% discount. I get a commission per sale. Now, just a few hours ago, we got some exciting news regarding Beyond Meat's partnership with Pizza Hut, even though it's not reflected in the stock right now. As you might be familiar with, Beyond and Pizza Hut in Canada has previously had a trial, and obviously it was very popular. And that is why they are now going to start offering Beyond Meat's alternative nationwide at 450 locations. And the really great thing is that it's a permanent deal. This is what Amy Rosinski, head of consumer marketing, Pizza Hut Canada, had to say. After seeing great excitement from Pizza Hut fans across Toronto and Edmonton last summer, we're beyond thrilled to give Canadian fans everywhere the opportunity to try and fall in love with these Beyond Meat menu items. Pizza Hut and Beyond Meat have a shared vision to innovate new and exciting products that will delight our guests. Beyond Italian sausage crumbles offer a delicious plant-based twist on our classic pork sausage that you have to taste to believe. Now, it seems at this time, this is not going to be a 100% plant-based offering. It is more focused on people following a flexitarian lifestyle. But people will have 3 choices to choose from, which are the Great Beyond, Beyond Italian Sausage, and Beyond Creamy Alfredo. And as it also states in the article, this is part of a larger cooperation between Beyond Meat and Yum Brands, which is supposed to be on a global scale, which also includes KFC and Taco Bell. It would be good to know that Pizza Hut actually has about 18,000 locations worldwide, so this could be the beginning. And this is the second country who's actually making this a permanent deal. The UK made this a permanent deal in July of 2021. The UK has about 560 Pizza Hut locations. This takes us to the other piece of news for today, which is Oatly and Starbucks. Just recently, we found out that Starbucks UK will drop their surcharge on their plant-based milk. If you weren't familiar with it, customers had to pay an extra £04 or basically 54-cent extra charge for drinks made with non-dairy milk. Skipping this extra charge will probably lead to that more people could consider trying plant-based alternatives while visiting Starbucks. As stated by Starbucks itself, quote, "With customization at Starbucks core, this latest menu change will provide increased personalization options and make it even easier for customers to choose whichever dairy alternative or milk they prefer all year round." Now you might wonder how this is relevant to Oatly. Well, Oatly is the preferred plant-based milk in all of the UK, so this is most definitely a good sign of things to come. In the UK, there are almost 1,100 Starbucks. However, unfortunately, this will not yet happen in the US. The upcharge there is about 70 cents. The main reason for this could be related to rising oat prices. Prices has basically doubled in the last year from about $3 to about $7 a bushel. This is driven by drought. Oatly has stated in November, according to this article, that they will raise prices on their products to help offset commodity prices. Now, this is a simplified truth. Like most companies, Oatly needs to handle the overall inflation, but fortunately, the company will still make the overall process more effective, which will mean that they will be able to lower costs with time. This is something that I will discuss further in a future video, so stay tuned. Well, that was it for today. I hope you found some value in today's video. If you did, make sure that you liked the video and feel free to subscribe. Don't forget to join our free Discord channel down in the description. Hope to see you tomorrow. Have a great day and peace out.